If you had to describe to someone who had never read his poetry what the style was, how would you describe it?
Well, it's got a lot of features, but some issues in style had to do with the sound of the stuff. And I'm particularly sensitive and aware to his rich use of language, not at the end of sentences, just rhyming, but right smack in the middle of each line. That is, alliterations, all kinds of things, but a real command of sound, ups and downs and stuff like that. And something I wasn't familiar with in poetry, English or otherwise, that you can get away with that you can, end up talking about something quite real, rhymes at the end and so on, but beautiful sounds in the middle. And that was sort of my reaction to some of the language skill that went into the poetry.